Hey, Bill Batson here from Batson Enterprises. Getting ready for the Fred Hall 2020 show. Got the trailer packed. I'm getting on the road tomorrow. It's a 3-day journey for me to come down. I'm really looking forward to the show. We've got a bunch of stuff going on. We're going to be in booth 1426. We have a 60-foot booth. I'm going to have Doc Ski in there the whole time. Jim Treleckis is going to do a guest appearance. We're going to have Einer and Eddie, some of the San Diego Rod Builders Clubs, in there the whole time. We've got 3 stations set up. Come by, ask questions. We're in the Rod Depot area. I know they have a huge custom rod competition going on. First place, I'm going to donate $1,000 worth of Batson products to it. So many things going on. We're going to have Jake and Jake there from Primetime Sport Fishing. We're going to have some limited edition Team RainShadow clothing and hats and some limited edition blanks just for the show. Sam over at Island Fishing Tackle is going to be our major distributor at the event. He sells a lot of stuff. His whole booth is all rod building. So all you rod builders out there and all you people that think they want to start building rods, come on by and see us. All right, we're also going to have booth next to us, going to have a fishing simulator and the Grillix Fighting Belt booth. A lot going on. I'm excited about the event. This is my favorite event of the year. I do a lot of events all over the country, but the Fred Hall show is definitely one of my favorites. Anyways, looking forward to seeing you all there. Have a nice day.